What's up? It's your boy Crick D.
Xander Face, and today we got a JD Ready.
The jetpack bike. We took his old blue bike.
The double whammy scooter, and we went rested. My daddy went savage, and he went rest in peace on it.
So we did, when we put him in rest in peace, we took Xander's old blue bike. Old blue bike, let me get him out the sun. Got the old blue bike. What I did was cut the seat off, turned it around. See that? Put him around.
Cut the seat around.
Cut the back of that scooter off right there. You see that, Tipsy?
Yeah.
It's a bed frame. See that bed frame? And provide everything and duct tape. See the black duct tape?
And I need to get used to it, because when I go back, when I go this way, it goes this way. And when I go this way, it goes that way. You don't know about that, Tipsy. Tipsy Ripsy.
What you tell him? Tipsy don't know about that, do it. Had to take the stump balls off the 10-speed to make the brake with two brakes with the black duct tape. Tipsy, see that? With the black, this redneck style right here, y'all.
We should work with him. Is it a him
see
or
that?
she?
It's two dudes. We even got the chain, the exercise bike. Sit on the show them how you can ride and exercise at the same time. This ain't the lazy bike, y'all. This is ride exercise. See that? Ride exercise.
This for lazy people. So
ride
if people
exercise.
lazy, we should put this on our bike sale and put a Boogie Time logo on it.
You see the motor on there right there?
For those lazy people.
We don't need the chain, y'all.
Yeah.
Well, no chain required. Show him how to ride. He finna show you how to see. He gone. See that, y'all? Nobody playing. Do it yourself bike scooter. Take 2, 3, 4, 5 bikes or whatever you need, pause from each one, and you gonna make yourself a bike. See that? He gone. That boy gone. Ride exercise. You seen the first here on Boogie Time? You know how we do it around here? We improvise everything. Nothing is RIP at Boogie Time. We use every resource we got.
We use a bed frame. I don't know if we use my bed frame.
Y'all see the bed frame right there? See the bed frame right there?
Once I almost twisted my ankle with my house. Once I almost
duct tape.
Guys, once I almost twist my ankle because I was wearing my house shoes. I was going so fast I didn't know if my foot was gonna go back here, so I was going fast like, and then I tried to stop, but my foot went right there, and then it felt like I cracked my
What we got there? Bed frame, more bed frame.
Bed
Water hose.
Ooh, a water hose.
All right, it's your boy Crick D in the building. I'm gone.
And you know what I do.